Hey there, my name is Josh Diotti here with Customer Relations, and today we are here to get you ready for delivery day. That's right, it's finally here. And so I am sure you have watched a lot of the component videos to help you decide if the product is for you or not. And so the goal of this video here today is to help educate you on how to use your van to make sure you are ready to go. And so slow us down, turn closed captions on, rewind, rewatch the video completely if you need to. Make sure you take notes, write any questions down so that we can best use your time here on delivery day. So with that being said, let's get started.
Start with our air conditioner. So you have the Dometic P12 air conditioner. Really high drawing unit that's normally found in bigger RVs with multiple rooms and zones, which is nice in here because then we don't have to work it as hard. It's definitely overkill and will, adequately cool down the whole van. Right. So just because it's a high drawing unit and AC powered, we need to have shore power plugged in to run it, and then it can run, like indefinitely for us at that point. So just to turn it on, we use a really simplified controller instead of the fancy ones with, preset run times and modes and everything. It's a small space. We just want to have, easy control of everything. So we're going to hit the mode button, and there's only 4 pages. It just goes back in a circle for us. Okay. So first press says off in the tiniest font you've ever seen for no reason. But the blue light kicks on. Yeah, I mean it's on. Yeah. The next press will do fan speed. So we have options from auto, high, and low. Low is all we need inside of here. It's all we really recommend. There will be a slight delay, and it kicks on like it does now. And this is just the fan right now. Right. We have a couple options as far as directions. We can, if you're sleeping higher, you're getting a little cold because you're sweating, we can close that straight down vent and then open the side vents and kind of, direct the air around. But no matter what option you have, it's going to cool down the van pretty quickly. Yeah. So we are on low. Our next press will take us to our air conditioning option, which you can tell because of the snowflake. And we recommend this in the low to mid 70s. The main goal is not to make this like a igloo in a 100-degree day. Right. It's to kind of drop the temperature, but the main thing is lower the humidity inside of here. Just get it out of here. So low fan speed, mid 70s, perfect kind of sweet spot for our van. Once you want it off, you hit it again. There is no electric furnace in any of our vans, so we skip this setting and it goes back to that off page. So very simple. It saved our fan speed, it saved our temperature, so you don't have to hit that next time. We heard a little dip there where that compressor kicked off for the AC, and now in about 4 or 5 seconds, we're gonna have the fan shut off too. Yeah, there we go. So really simple to operate. For reference right now, until you make your solar modifications, this is the highest thing on top of your van. It's sitting at about
what does it sit at?
9.6, 9.8 range, kind of in that. I'd call it 10 just to be completely good. But you're in about mid-9s.
Drive-throughs and parking garages.
Some parking garages. We have some 12-foot parking garages, but yeah, a lot of those East Coast, older bridges and stuff, you might have to find a detour. Yeah. But yeah, under 10 foot, you're completely fine. Couple things to know, if you do see a puddle by your van or something, totally normal. It's the humidity, being removed, and it's just condensation rolling down either the front or back, depending on the angle of your van's parked. So that's pretty normal there. So any questions right now? Feeling okay? Cool.